Greetings to all. We're going to share a secret today that many cardiac surgeons have been keeping hidden. You're in the right place if you've ever wondered how something as basic as your everyday food might help you take care of your heart. Imagine having more energy, being healthier, and knowing that you are taking incredible care of your heart each and every day. The top 8 foods that heart surgeons suggest eating to improve cardiac health are revealed in this video. Indeed, they aren't your typical dishes. These are heart-healthy natural remedies that can be easily incorporated into your everyday schedule. Before we get started, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating health secrets if you enjoy finding easy ways to live a better life. Your assistance is much appreciated and aids in the dissemination of life-changing information. Starting at number 8 and working our way up to the most significant one at number 1, we will reveal the mysteries behind these foods today. So settle down, take notes if necessary, and let's work together to discover the keys to a healthy, stronger heart. Blueberries may be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to heart health. These little berries are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your heart by reducing inflammation in the blood vessels. Inflammation can make it harder for blood to flow freely, increasing the risk of heart disease. When you eat blueberries, you give your body a boost that helps keep your blood vessels clear and supports overall circulation. They are not only delicious but also very easy to add to your daily meals. You can sprinkle them on your breakfast cereal, mix them into yogurt, or enjoy them as a quick, healthy snack on the go. Many heart surgeons recommend blueberries because they contribute to a healthier heart while satisfying your taste buds. Their natural sweetness makes them a favorite choice for anyone wanting to eat well without sacrificing flavor. Oats are a fantastic food for your heart, thanks to their high fiber content. This fiber, especially the soluble type found in oats, plays a key role in lowering cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a waxy substance that can build up in your arteries and restrict blood flow if it becomes too high. When you eat oats regularly, they help remove excess cholesterol from your bloodstream, reducing the risk of artery blockages and heart disease. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning not only keeps you full longer but also gives you steady energy throughout the day. Oats can be easily incorporated into your diet in various ways. Think of oatmeal, overnight oats, or even using oats as an ingredient in baked goods like muffins or healthy bars. Their versatility and nutritional benefits make oats a staple for anyone looking to improve their heart health naturally and effectively. Almonds are a crunchy and satisfying treat that also work wonders for your heart. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, almonds help maintain a balanced level of cholesterol and support proper blood pressure. They are an excellent source of vitamin E, a nutrient that helps protect the cells in your heart from damage caused by oxidative stress. Enjoying a small handful of almonds as a snack or adding them to your meals can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your cardiac health. Heart surgeons often suggest almonds because they are a natural and tasty option that fits easily into a busy lifestyle. Just a small serving a day can provide you with both energy and essential nutrients that work together to keep your heart strong and functioning well. Spinach is a true nutrient powerhouse when it comes to supporting heart health. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep your blood vessels flexible and promote a smooth flow of blood throughout your body. Spinach is especially high in vitamin K, which is important not only for maintaining strong bones but also for supporting proper blood clotting. It also provides generous amounts of vitamins A and C, which help support your immune system and keep your cells healthy. Whether you add it fresh to a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or lightly steam it as a side dish, spinach is easy to work into your daily meals. Heart surgeons appreciate spinach because its natural compounds help reduce inflammation and support healthy blood circulation. Eating more leafy greens like spinach can make a noticeable difference in your overall heart health. Salmon is widely celebrated for its rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining heart health. These healthy fats help lower inflammation in the body and support the regulation of blood pressure. Regularly eating salmon may also help reduce levels of bad cholesterol, known as LDL, while increasing levels of good cholesterol, known as HDL. This combination contributes to clearer arteries and a lower risk of developing heart disease. Beyond its benefits for the heart, salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamin D, and selenium, nutrients that further enhance your health and immune function. Whether grilled, baked, or added to a salad, salmon is a delicious and versatile option. Many heart surgeons recommend including it in your weekly meals because it combines great flavor with powerful heart protective properties. Avocado is a creamy and versatile fruit that offers impressive benefits for your heart. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados help balance cholesterol levels by raising good cholesterol (HDL) and lowering bad cholesterol (LDL). They are also a great source of potassium, a mineral that plays a critical role in regulating blood pressure and ensuring smooth heart function. In addition, avocados are high in fiber, which helps promote digestion and supports a healthy weight, an important factor in reducing the risk of heart disease. You can enjoy avocado in many ways. Spread it on toast for breakfast, blend it into a smoothie for added creaminess, or add it to your salads for a nutritious boost. This simple yet nutrient-dense fruit is a favorite among heart surgeons who often recommend it as part of a balanced diet to support a strong and healthy cardiovascular system. Garlic is much more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a true heart helper with a long history of medicinal use. This humble ingredient is packed with natural compounds that support your heart in multiple ways. Garlic is well known for its ability to help reduce blood pressure and improve overall blood flow. It contains a special compound called allicin, which is believed to play a key role in protecting your heart by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation in the blood vessels. Many heart surgeons recommend adding garlic to your diet because of its powerful natural ability to keep your heart strong and healthy. Whether you use it raw, cooked, or as a supplement, garlic is a simple way to boost your heart health. Just a few cloves a day can make a noticeable difference. Its unique taste enhances your dishes and brings significant health benefits that are difficult to ignore. Olive oil is often referred to as liquid gold, and for a good reason. It is widely celebrated for its outstanding benefits for heart health. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, olive oil helps lower bad cholesterol levels while boosting the good cholesterol in your body. This balance is crucial for preventing plaque buildup in the arteries and maintaining smooth, uninterrupted blood flow. Olive oil is also a key part of the Mediterranean diet, which has long been associated with a lower risk of heart disease. It works by reducing inflammation in the body and keeping your blood vessels flexible, allowing for better circulation and reduced strain on your heart. Many heart surgeons consider it the most important food for a healthy heart. Its smooth, rich flavor makes it perfect for dressing salads, cooking vegetables, or simply drizzling over your favorite dishes. By replacing other less healthy fats with olive oil in your diet, you give your heart a natural boost that can help keep it strong and efficient for many years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover nature's best heart helpers. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 8 incredible foods that heart surgeons swear by to boost cardiac health. By incorporating these simple and delicious ingredients into your daily routine, you're taking an important step toward a healthier, happier heart. Remember, a small change in your diet can make a big difference in your overall well-being. If you found these tips useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment sharing your favorite heart-friendly food, and subscribe for more easy and effective health advice. Your support inspires us to keep bringing you the best tips for a better life. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into natural ways to enhance your health. Until then, take care of yourself, keep that heart happy, and enjoy a healthier lifestyle every day. Thanks for watching.